Remex Foods is a contract packaging operation. We make product for various companies, for Del Taco, for Carl's Jr., El Pollo Loco, and then we do a lot for retail chains like Costco, Walmart, Sam's Club, Trader Joe's. We make everything from soup, sauces, salsas, marinades. We do rice and beans, and the core of the operation is the kitchen where we utilize our kettles.
Before Sage ERP X3, we used a system called Core, and it was very inflexible.
But it did not cost the products appropriately. So we were able to see material values, we were able to see some labor values, but we really didn't know what it cost to make a product here.
Ultimately, we needed something that was flexible, that could grow with us. Having worked with Sage in the past, I knew that it had the ability to expand. The Sage suite of products included a manufacturing tool. It was clear that we could tailor that to our food manufacturing operation. The successful implementations that I've worked with focused on out-of-the-box implementation. We did the same thing here. We were up and running in 6 weeks, and we're now using it for all of our distribution, our order taking, our purchasing, and all of our manufacturing. We're also using it for all of our financial reporting.
I was the buyer that created the first purchase orders. It was seamless, it was quick, and it continues to be quick because of the flexibility saves you a lot of time.
We took it right out of the box and used it as it was. It's been remarkably easy for people to learn to use. And I would guess that our training only spanned about 4 weeks. The manufacturing operation is primarily a make-to-order type operation. We'll receive orders from our customers, and our customer service rep will enter the sales order into Sage ERP X3. That will trigger the purchasing manager to go out and source the necessary materials for a work order to be produced. It'll allow the production scheduler to schedule the production in a way that's optimum for the plant. The biggest single advantage we have today using Sage is that we actually have information necessary to run the business.
Sage ERP X3. It has 2 functionalities that I can really appreciate. One is lot control, which is our ability to recall something at any point in time. One of the other functionalities we get out of the system is what's called allergen roll-up. And what that does is allows us to key in the raw materials that we use to make our products, so we have an allergen statement at the end that is all-encompassing of what went into that product. The lot control combined with the allergen roll-up gives us control over our products that allows us to feel confident about launching products into the marketplace.
I can get any kind of report that I want that tells me about the operation on a real-time basis, and we didn't have that capability before.
Yes, I would recommend Sage ERP X3 to other companies. In the economic conditions today, your prices need to be extremely sharp. The only way they're going to get sharp is through information.
Sage ERP X3 is the one I would recommend wholeheartedly.
Sage ERP X3 provides that detailed information necessary to make the right value proposition to the customer that allows it to be competitive and for you to be able to win the business and compete in today's marketplace.
Our overall experience with Sage ERP X3 has been a very positive one. We were on budget in our implementation and actually a little bit ahead of schedule in the end, but we know that with the ability to get information out of the system, we can use that to track our performance and show where we are improving. It helps to steer us in the right direction insofar as our efficiency, lowering our operating costs, and putting out a quality product.